All aboard for excitement with everyone's #1 train, Thomas the Tank Engine. This delightful collection of award-winning videos and DVDs takes you on a magical journey around the island of Sodor. It's an enchanting world where life is never boring and fun lies around every bend. Now you can be part of the adventure with Thomas and all his railway friends. There's cheerful Percy, James in his splendid red coat, the proud and strong Gordon, and the ever-faithful Toby. And don't forget the superintendent of the railroad, Sir Topham Hatt, who makes sure everything keeps right on schedule. Each release contains a variety of fun-filled stories that teach the values of friendship, working together, and the importance of trust and honesty. Every journey is one you'll want to watch again and again. In addition, kids will enjoy a whole new experience as they discover all the magic and joy of Thomas on DVD.
Hello, my name is Sir Topham Hatt. Thomas and his friends welcome you to the island of Sodor.
Travel with your tour guides, Thomas and Sir Topham Hatt, as they navigate you through the island of Sodor to exciting places like the Thomas and Friends Character Gallery, the Read-Along Story Depot, Sing-Along Station, and the Fun and Games Shed, where you can play several exclusive games with your engine friends. So bring the fun out of the roundhouse and into your house. Add all of these titles to your Thomas collection today. Welcome to the Thomas and Friends DVD experience.
Welcome to the island of Sodor. I'm Sir Topham Hatt, and I hope your journey here was a pleasant one. We have so much planned for you today, and the engines can't wait to take you on the adventures of Thomas and the jet engine. Make sure you visit all the story stops and the extra features, including 3 fun-filled games, Thomas's Character Cube, the Thomas Gallery, a sing-along song, and web fun.
Hi, I'm Thomas. Hop on board and jet right into all of the exciting adventures that Thomas and the jet engine has to offer. Hi, I'm Percy, and if you come with me, I'll take you directly to your favorite Thomas and the jet engine episode. Ahoy, matey. I'm Salty, and I love to sing while I'm hard at work down by the seaside. Join in singing along with me to an all-new Thomas and Friends sing-along song, Boo Boo Choo Choo.
Hi, I'm James. Hop on my splendid engine and explore some of the Thomas and Friends products that you can find in stores. There are books, videos, DVDs, wooden trains, and more. Hi, I'm Harold, and there are a lot of fun things to do on the island. Click on my banner and I'll fly down and take you on many exciting adventures. You can play Memory Madness, Counting Corner, or What Came First, and visit Thomas's Character Cube and Web Fun.